it's Gail here from Flicker and Scents. Welcome to my channel where I'll be sharing my journey into candle making, wax melts, home fragrances and starting a new business. Today I'm sharing a video on making some wax melts. I'm trying out different methods to see if I can get wax melts with colour to not frost. I've been trying this for the last few months now and very rarely do I have success. So today I'm going to try a few different methods and see what works. Today I'm using the 6 cavity clamshell. This one I've just left as normal as it comes. And then I have one here that I've put foil around to see if that makes any difference. And at the moment I have some silicone molds heating up in the oven just to get them warm to see if that will also help with different types of wax melts. I really want to make coloured wax melts, but I'm just not having any luck at all. So we'll see how today goes. So at the moment behind me I have wax melting using the double boil method. I'm hoping at some stage I'll be able to get a wax melter, but at the moment, until I work out exactly what wax I want to do, I'm not going to make that purchase. I'm adding some colour to the wax today as well, and I'm using a liquid dye from Aroma, and the colour is honeydew melon lime. And the fragrance oil today is also from Aroma in Australia, and it is lemongrass and Persian lime, and it has a really strong citrus smell, and it's something that my family, my husband and children and myself have really liked. I only used it for the first time yesterday, but we all loved it. So in here I've got the dye and I have put in the fragrance oil as well. I just stirring that. Make sure it's all blended very well. Now it's really important to make sure that you mix your fragrance oil in for around 2 minutes. Sometimes I don't do it quite for 2 minutes and don't seem to have any issues, but the recommended time to stir your fragrance oil into the wax is 2 minutes. Is just make sure that the fragrance oil and the wax blend together the way that it should, so that there's no issues in your final product. Now I use a digital thermometer to check the temperature, and at the moment it's on 67.8 degrees. Now one of the things that I've found out with using this digital thermometer is that the temperature is not always accurate, so it's really important to check with another type of thermometer, such as a probe or a sugar candy one, and just see what the difference is between that reading and your digital thermometer, and then you'll have a more accurate idea of what temperature your digital thermometer is actually reading at. So mine's about 10 degrees difference. I'm just getting the molds out of the oven now. I have a snap bar mold. We have one with different shapes on it. And then the last one is a bigger shape one. So I just want to see how it works in all different molds at the moment. Before taking a reading of your wax temperature, it's always a good idea to give it a stir. So we're at 61, still got a bit to go. And today, given that we're using wax, given that we've preheated our silicone molds, we're going to pour at a higher temperature and see what difference that makes. So at the moment I am pouring at 59.6. So there we go. It's all poured. I'll take you a bit closer so that you can have a look. Back later in the week with another video and let you all know exactly how today's wax melt pouring went and see what frosting that we have. If you liked today's video, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. I'll have some links in the description below for Instagram and Facebook, and you can follow me on there as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.